Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Star Trek Voyager across the unknown game, crashing or not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, or other issues on PC. So the very first method is to restart your PC once. This is an important step. So what you need to do is click on the Windows icon or click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, and here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to resolve the problem. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, launch the game and check. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7. Hit on apply and OK and launch the game. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows, search over here, search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, try to launch the game again and check. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. Wait for some time and after that again try to launch the game and check if it's opening or not. If not, next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadowplay or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any antivirus program installed on your system, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues because the antivirus programs can block the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game without any further problem. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it and it will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. Now after you get setup successful message, close this, restart your PC once. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and log into it and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288. In the maximum size, you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, you have to select the game and click on arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After this, launch the game and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Star Trek Voyager across the unknown game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC and finally launch Steam and reinstall Star Trek Voyager Across the Unknown game once again, and after that click on the play button to check if it's launching now. So using these methods you can easily resolve Star Trek Voyager Across the Unknown game crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, stuck on loading screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.